Between San Juan and Rizal as Latiga immediately knocking down a three-pointer. Starters tayo for both these teams. Mighty Warriors have Baldomero, Nonato, Gonzalida, Mejia, and How para naman sa Rizal. Yun nga, Latiga hitting that first three-pointer earlier. Tagorda, Pilias, Perez, and Mendoza are there. 5 to try and extend this to a game number 3. Abante nga. 1 game to none itong makabagong San Juan Mighty Warriors. On the other end, it was Baldomero. Aggressive to the hoop, draws contact, and knocks down the first free throw. May tambol na naman tayo dito dyan, and we were just talking about it, na kapag may tambol, iba rin yung energy na nabibigay sa mga players.
Nakaka-hype siya pagka meron kang naririnig na ganyan. No? Hindi mo mararamdaman yung nasa paligid mo, talaga nakafocus ka.
2 for 2 para kay Ace. Mendoza, keyhole jumper, that's off. Nato. Knocks down the baseline jumper. Abante na dito ang San Juan. 4-3. It's back iron. Para for the board. Mendoza will clean it up. Nakabatin talaga nito ni Axel Mendoza. One of the players na that moved up from that Arellano high school team to now their college squad. Laking junior MPBL yan.
Ang haba, no? Talagang makikita mo yung mga advantage nila.
Nato short on that jumper. Latiga ahead of the pack. Challenges the defense. Beating Baldomero and Perda on the attack. Now Perez makes the adjustment. 2 more para sa Rizal. Abante na ng 5.
Good pass by Ezekiel.
Nato to Baldomero. Out for 3. Shot too strong. Offensive rebound. Makuha ng San Juan. Baldomero will try. Ayaw din. Elias will secure it for Rizal. Finds an opening. Short. Elias pa rin. This time it's Roma. Loads it up and in. Basa 5 inahabol dito ng San Juan. Elias on the attack. Made the adjustment. Just couldn't finish. Gutierrez. Aggressive to the hoop. Yescas. Off the spin. Off balance, bothered by the defense of Ugadan. Ugadan finds Gutierrez, making out his defender for the bucket.
Nice pick yun, no? Nice pick by Gutierrez. Nakita niya, natatalon talaga itong defender niya. Ginamitan niya ng utak sa part na yun.
Vergara, leads in, another block para kay Ugadan. Roma will be called for it. Latiga. Gonna knock it down. Rebound battle. Mendoza comes up with it. Short. Another offensive rebound. Pilias. Ayaw pa rin. Give them another offensive rebound. This is the 4th opportunity para sa Rizal. Ilgescas. Still can't buy the basket.
Ang daming tira na yun. Wala man lang na shoot, no? Ganon ka-aggressive talaga itong ating mga player, no?
12-9, abante pa rin ang Rizal. Tower, passing lane, bit too tight. Aurita to good, and that's good. So as the previous play were good. Way downtown. Medyo matulis. La Rosa. Through the lane for 2. Gadan finds Gutierrez. That jumper will fall. That's a weapon ito ni Jared na talaga na-develop na niya throughout the years. Asay naman sa kabila. By 2. The rebound. Through traffic para kay Ram Sharma. Gadan ahead to Gutierrez. Setting up Ram for the finish. Tatlong bigs yun dyan. Connecting in that instant.
Ganda nung pasahan na yun, no? Talagang makikita mo yung mga libre dahil umakat lang sila, dire-diretso.
Run to the other end, Sharma. Trying to return the favor to Gutierrez. Ugadan will be fouled.
Inulit lang nila yung play kanina. Pinagkaya ba lang, may depensa na.
Kita mo rin yung connection niya, no? Tatlong malalaki pa yun.
Grabe yung pasahan nila, talagang may connection, no? Sobrang bilis na itong game natin. Sobrang Takbuhan ng takbuhan. Talagang kung ikaw ay nanonood, ma-excite ka rin dun sa nangyayari.
Cameraman natin talagang kalilipat lang dito sa kaliwa. Nandun na kaagad sa kanan. As Ugadan missing on his first. Looking for his first points dito sa ating ball game. Itong si Andre. Just enjoying the game. Just magic on the brings the flavor. Makes every bite unforgettable. There's magic in every meal. The magic moments. Spilia scores underneath. Ano naman yung galaw na yun dyan? Adjusting midair.
Grabe yung move ng Pilas na yun. Binuhat niya yung depensa niya doon. No? Talagang makikita mo kung paano niya nilay-up doon.
Ugadan looking to answer. Does so para sa San Juan. Saan puntan dito? Parehong kumpanahan. 22-20. Abante pa rin ang Rizal. Diga. Langit is open. Gonna knock him down. Lampard defensive rebound. But he will be called for a traveling violation.
That was good intention by Lampard. No? Yun lang, natawagan talaga siya ng traveling dun sa part na yun. Pero maganda yung pagkaka-rebound niya dun sa bola.
Nato. Off. Elias looking to run. Elias pa rin, dropping it off, and Ladiga gets blocked. Ugadan, he just might slam this home! Andre Ugadan! Nagigising dito dyan. Kaso yun lang, yung gigil niya hindi pa naubos.
Nasa half court pa lang, alam ko na yung mangyayari.
Second look, sabi mo nga, half court pa lang, ilista mo na. Parang kala ko nga lilipad from the free throw line eh. Finally, rebound secured here by San Juan. Renato. Trying to ask for a pick. Got it from Ram Sharma. Yutok, specialty of the house, is off. And Buenaventura though will be able to keep it alive. Pounded by two red shirts. Yutok to Sharma. Gets the button. To the baseline. Goes reverse. Overshoots. Aurita though. Way to put back. Basket of Aurita.
And defensive rebound nila, no? Malaking tulong to.
Ikaw naman itong San Juan, may rin yung oras na pwede mong atakihin yung paint dahil one less big man para dito sa Rizal. Super 2 para kay Ram Sharma.
Makapag-commit ng turnover. Yun yung mga kailangan ng Rizal para makabawi dito sa San Juan.
Jerez, wide open, and gets the 3 to 4 opportunity. That's the ball stolen by Perez. Find Ladiga, ahead of the pack for an easy bucket or not. Ray John, some frustration now dahil yun nga. Parang binaby niya yung layup.
Medyo nanggigil siya doon, no?
Daan na pumipitaw rin dito. Itong San Juan dyan. 5 na yung abante na rito. Make that 7. Kita Gorda. Nagmamadali sa kabila. Ezekiel. Foul on the floor, says our officials. Gieres. To Mejia. Ako. Well ball. Gets blocked. Spilia sidestep. And the yun, itas ganun pa yung galaw.
As we see, yung
Look, good hustle na kay Perez. Turns it over. Still some time left. Iliescas trying to beat the clock. I'm not. Take a look at the time on the lower right. 33 to 29 heading into our second half. Gadan. Wala. Knocks it down for the first. Vergara to Perez. Ooh. Trying to slam it home. But instead, iniluwa. Sharma. Short. Gutierrez will clean it up. Ito rin itong Rizal. So certainly knows that Rizal could make a comeback. But wait. Gana nakabuelo na naman. That high pick up to the finger roll. Finds his way to the paint. Another basket for Gutierrez. Donato. Drops it off to Sharma. Great fake and the bucket. But a turnover para San Juan. Villas on the attack. Escapes for two.
Strong move yun coming from this guy.
Now overshoots, but Taubert there for the putback. Sagutan parehong kupunan. Laid back to 11, 47-36. Villas, he will try for three. And convert.
Much needed basket yun para dito sa Rizal. Good read by Villas to dahil libre-libre siya. Hindi na siya nagdalawang isip para itira yun.
Villas already has 12. The runner from Sean won't work. Takbo na naman tayo sa kabila. Lawrence on move. Gets bumped. Not getting the penalty itong San Juan. That will be their last foul to give. Roma will be called. Max the basket. Just couldn't finish. Latiga though with an end one.
Good move by Ladica, no? Yung kanyang aggressiveness. Nakita ulit natin dito sa play na to. Parang kanina pa siya hinihintay ng team nitong Rizal para pumutok dito sa game na to.
Maganda nga yung kanyang panimula, no? But that misplay might have affected this game a little bit. So, pero a scorer such as this, minsan kailangan last stolen away by Villas. Ladica is asking for it. Pass might have been a second too late. May casualty tayo dito sa baseline. Good to see. Naka-recover na rin. Pinagpagla. Now some pressure on the backcourt being displayed here by Rizal. Under 2 to play. Now, Gutierrez. Loses the leather. Ladiga on the move once again. Lilipad na naman for 2. Much as 12, talking about Rizal. Lead got down to 3. Gadan, crossover. Stepping through and gets the end one. Andre Ugadan.
Grabe yung galaw ni Ugadan doon, no? Galing 3 points. Na-layup sa basket. Sobrang haba ng mga steps niya. Talagang go hard.
Villas once again, one-hander, short. Trying to keep it alive. Able to secure an offensive rebound. Mendoza stepping in, long 2. Gets a bounce. Extra pass, Howe is open. And knocks down a triple. His first of the ball game. Badly needed para sa San Juan.
Big shot yun. Galing dito how, no?
Mendoza, series of moves. Napalak from Sean Howe. Gana, Ladiga. Stupilla. Aurita will fire once more. Off. Mendoza. Clean it up para sa Rizal. Was only able to split his charity sa kanyang last 2 trips. Trying to go 2 for 2. Make this a 2-possession ball game. Gadan knocks down both. Back to a 4-point ball game, 67-63 with only 10.4 seconds left. Rizal will call for another timeout. Ganun pa rin ba dito, John? If the 3 is there, you take it or... Makes this a 5-point ball game, 68-63. To the delight of the makabagong San Juan Mighty Warrior crowd. Dito nga sa Paco Arena. Another free throw para kay Ram Sharma. Misses on the second. Aurita with forward. Final 2 seconds na lamang. As makabagong San Juan Mighty Warriors will close the series out with a sweep. Winning in Caloocan and winning here in Paco nga is 68-63. What a ball game that was, John.
Grabe no, kudos to both team no to show
Prepping on their North Division Championship celebration. They will join yung kanilang 14 under team na umabot ng National Finals, 16 under team umabot din ng National Finals, 18 under hindi rin naman nagpahuli.
lahat sila champion no. Talagang makikita mo kung paano nag-prepare itong makabagong San Juan para dito sa liga na to. Talagang mini-make sure nila na kada age magcha-champion sila.
Siyempre, Antipolo, hindi rin naman magpapahuli dyan dahil ganun din, 14 under nilang umabot din ng National Finals, 16 as well. But Palawan, of course, sila naman ang defending champion dito sa ating South Division and the defending national champions sa 18 under in season number 2. Commissioner Keith, of course, will be awarding the championship and we are ready. Let's
18 under North Division Champion, makabagong San Juan Mighty Warriors! How about our hindi naging madali ang pagkuha nyo ng trophy na